How good is it?
Ang kuya mo. Gipalit niya sa op-shop, Mac. How much did you pay for it, Bob? 18? Mark.
A few moments later.
I didn't break it. That's why I was so.
That's why it's 18 dollars.
You just fall down.
Is that funny enough?
You just fall down.
Oh no, Bob. You just enjoyed it. Fall down?
Yeah, he just fall down and broke his leg. Broke his leg and fall out. And
Op-shop pa more. Hello. That's why.
You think it's funny?
Why 18 Bob, you enjoyed it for 2 minutes? Nak, kalawa ka sapatos din, nak.